Go see it. Sally, go see the tree. You want to go see that, Teddy? You can go push his hand. He'll read you a book. Stars.
Stars.
Yeah. Is there a star on top? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. But really you should say, oh, Christmas tree, how very fine your branches. Can you go see it?
Stars.
Stars. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Should we look at the snow outside?